Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 13.1. In exercise 13.1, this chapter is probability. Already we are doing from grade ninth. What is probability? Chances of anything. Okay. Now, probability of any event plus probability of not that event, that is equal to 1. And what is the formula of probability? Favorable number of outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Like which way formula we have revised in union, that formula in sets, same formula we have to revise in probability. What is the formula of probability of A union B? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. What is new for you? For you, new thing is conditional probability. Like when we are tossing a die, what are the sample spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. If I will, if I will toss a die and outcome is a even number. If I will toss a die again, then again even number chances that are depends on the first toss. It means our second toss is depending on first toss, and which thing they will give, that is that in that case we will use conditional probability. Like first toss already they will give, that will come down, and which we have to find that will come up, like probability of A by B formula, probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. Which thing is given, that will come down, and which we have to find, that will come up. Like question number 1, probability of E is given 0.6, probability of F is 0.3, and intersection F is 0.2. First, we have to find probability of E by F. Again, same formula. Probability of E intersection F upon probability of F. 0.2 by 0.3. Probability of F by E. F by E formula is probability of E intersection F upon, what is down now? Probability of E. That is equal to 0.2 upon 0.6. Question number 2, probability of B is given and probability of A intersection B is given. And we have to find probability of A by B. What is the formula? Probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. 0.32 upon 0.50 is equal to 16 by 25. Next question, probability of A is 0.8, probability of B is 0.5, and probability of B by A is given 0.4. In first part, we have to find A intersection B. First, we will use whatever is given. What is given? Probability of B by A. What is the formula of B by A? Probability of A intersection B upon probability of A. Put the value of B by A, 0.4. A intersection B, we have to find upon 0.8. By cross multiplication, A intersection B value is 0.32. Second part, probability of A by B. What is the formula of A by B? Probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. 0.32 upon 0.5. And in third part, we have to find probability of A union B. What is the formula? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, 0.98. Question number 4, double of probability A is equal to probability of B is equal to 5 by 13. It means they want to say probability of B is 5 by 13. And what is probability of A? 2 will go in the division, 5 by 26. And probability of A by B is given 2 by 5. And what we have to find? Intersection B. What we will do? Again, we will use A by B formula. Probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. A by B value is 2 by 5. This we have to find upon 5 by 13. By cross multiplication, intersection B value came. Now we have to find union. Probability of A union B formula. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. And this is our answer. Question number 5th is also same, students. Probability of A and B is given and union is given. Intersection we have to find. Same formula. A probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A union B. And for A by B, probability of A intersection B upon, what is under A? B. It means probability of B. 4 by 11 upon 5 by 11. And for probability of B by A, probability of A intersection B upon probability of A, that is 4 by 6. Now, question number 6. They are saying a coin is tossed 3 times. A coin is tossed 3 times. And then we will make the sample space when a coin is tossed 3 times. And 3 parts are there. We have to solve one by one. First, we'll make sample space when a coin is tossed 3 times. In first part, they're saying E. E is the event head on third toss. Head on third toss. How many are there? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Head on third toss. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 element we will write 4 by 8. Okay. After that, head on first two toes, only first two toes. 1, 2, two element are there, 2 by 8, and intersection whatever is common, that is 1 by 8. Now they are asking probability of E by F, that is A intersection F upon probability of F. In second part, they are saying at least two head. At least two head means minimum 2 can be there or 3 can be also there. 2 and 3. It means how many are there? 4 by 8. F means at most 2. At most means maximum 2 and minimum can be 0 also. Then probability of F 7 by 8. E intersection F is 3 by 8. Probability of E by F, probability of E intersection F upon P of F, that is equal to 3 by 8 upon 7 by 8 is equal to 3 by 7. Third part, you have to try it same like first two part. Now question number 7th, two coin are tossed. If two coin you will toss, this will be the sample space. E is an event, tail appear on one coin. On one coin, tail should appear. How many cases are there? 1, 2. 2 by 4. Probability of F, one coin shows head. One coin shows head. Again, two cases are there, 2 by 4. And what is the intersection? Both are same, 2 by 4. And what will be E by F? E by F means E intersection F upon probability of F. 2 by 4 by 2 by 4, that is equal to 1. Now they are asking no tail appear. No tail appear means only one case, head, 1 by 4. Now they are asking no head appear, only one case, tail, 1 by 4. And what is common in both of them? Nothing. It means E by F will be 0. Question number 8, a die is thrown 3 times. If you will throw it 3 times, this will be the sample space. E means 4 appear on the third toes. 4 appear on the third toes. How many cases are there? So many will be there. We will note it down. And F means 6 and 5 appear on first two toes. 6 and 5 on first two toes. How many cases are there? 6. 6 by 206. What is common in both? Only one case, 654, 1 by 206. Now, they are saying find E by F. E by F formula, probability of E intersection F upon probability of F. This upon this is equal to 1 by 6. Question number 9, mother, father, and son line up and random form a family picture. Now, it's like when you're tossing 3 coins, it's same like that. This sample space is same like that. Only here, mother, father, and son. You have to arrange them like MFS. Son is at last. Now change the place of son. Now it will come on second place, then on first place. Okay. Now change. Now FMS, father, mother, son. Then father, son, mother, and son, father. Total, how many cases are there? Total 6 cases are there. Now, probability of E is son is on the end. How many cases are there? 1, 2. Here son is on the end and here also. 3, 4. 4 are there, 4 by 6. F means father is in middle. 2 are there, 2 by 6. How many common in them? 2 are common, 2 by 6. And we have to find the probability of F by E. Again formula, P of E intersection F upon probability of F. 1 by 3 upon 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Question number 10th. A black and a red die are rolled. Both are rolled. That means you can say 2 dice are rolled. It means total number of outcomes will be 36. A means sum greater than 9. These elements sum is greater than 9. It means what is the sum? Sum is 10, 11 and 12. What is the probability? 6 by 36. Now black die results 5. Black die result 5. Only those die will come where it is 5. That is 6 by 36. Now in both of them, which elements are common? These are common. 5, 5 and 5, 6, 2 by 36. Now we have to find probability of A by B. Probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. 2 by 36 upon 6 by 36 is equal to 1 by 3. Part number B, students, you will try and you have to try all the questions which I am giving you because it will be good for you. You will get to know how to solve the questions. A die is rolled. If you will roll a die, what will be the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E is an event where element are 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 means how many are there? 3 are there. 3 by 6. Okay. Now, probability of E is 3 by 6, probability of F 2 by 6, and probability of G. See students, in E there are 3 elements, that's why 3 by 6, 1, 3, 5. In F 2 elements are there, 2 and 3, that's why 2 by 6. And in G elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, that's why probability is 4 by 6. Now they are saying find the probability of a sum. Now they are saying find E by F. E by F formula is intersection upon F. What is common in E and F? Only one element. 1 by 6 upon 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 2. Same F by E, 1 by 6 upon 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to find G by E and E by G. First we will find E intersection G. What is common in E and G? Only two elements. That's why probability is 2 by 6. Then E by G formula, intersection upon probability of G. 1 by 3 upon 2 by 3. Same G by E, intersection of G and D upon probability of E. Now, see in this question, E union F upon G you have to find. It means first you have to find the probability of E union F with intersection G, because in numerator always we are finding intersection upon probability of G. That is 1 by 2. Okay, then 1 by 2 upon 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Question number 12th. Assume that each both children equally likely to be a boy or girl. In a family, two children are there and it can be a boy or girl. What will be the sample space? Maybe two boys, maybe one boy, one girl, maybe one girl, one boy, and maybe both are girls. A is there, both are girls. Only one case, 1 by 4. B means youngest is a girl. Youngest is a girl, two cases are there. 1, 2, 2 by 4. What is common in both? Only one case, 1 by 4. And we have to find probability of A by B, intersection upon B, that is 1 by 2. Now, for C, they are saying at least one girl. At least means minimum 1, maximum 2. It means 1, 2, and 3. How many cases are there? 3. 3 by 4. And intersection A intersection C, that is 1 by 4. Probability of A by C means A intersection C upon probability of C, that is 1 by 3. Question number 13. In a question bank, 300 easy questions are there which are true and false. 200 difficult questions are there which are true and false. It means how many true false questions are there? 500. Same in multiple choice, 500 are easy and 400 are difficult. Then how many questions are there total? 900. Now E means easy question and they are asking E by M, and M means multiple choice question. Now for E by M we need intersection. Intersection means which questions are easy also and multi answer also. How many questions are there? 500. And total how many questions are there? 1400. 5 by 14. Probability of M. M means how many multi choice questions are there? Those are multi choice. See, 500 plus 400, total multiple choice questions are 900. That's why 900 by 1400, 9 by 14. Now we have to find E by M. Formalize intersection of E intersection M upon probability of M. That is 5 by 9. Question number 14th. Give that two numbers appearing on throw two dice are different. Find the probability of even the sum of number on the die is 4. They are tossing two die. Then total number of outcomes 36. A means the sum of number is 4. How many numbers are there whose sum is 4? 3 by 3 are there. Then what is the probability? 3 by 36. What is B? Numbers are different. How many different numbers are there when you're throwing two die? Students, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. 6 numbers are same. We need different numbers. Then how many are there? 30. 30 by 36. How many are common? 2. 2 by 36. Then we have to find A by B because B is given and A we have to find. Then probability of A intersection B upon probability of B, that is 1 by 15. Now last question of this exercise, consider the experiment of throwing a die if multiple of 3 comes up. If multiple of 3 will come, then we will toss a die again. If any other number will come, then we will toss a coin. Make a sample space. How many elements are there? Total 20. What is A? The coin shows a tail. A coin shows a tail. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. That's why 4 by 20. Now B is at least one shows a 3. How at least one die shows a 3. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6, 3, 7. 7 are there. 7 by 20. If you will see in both the cases A and B, nothing is common. That's why intersection is 0. And because of intersection, A by B will also 0. And 0 is the answer. I hope it is clear. Thank you.